Well, you told me to, you told me to, you told me to.
So I've been playing with my Silverado today. Changed the oil, cleaned up the wheels, cleaned up the barrels while I was at it too. Also found a problem with my vibration. Pretty definite. Carrier bearing for the drive shaft shot. So I've had a vibration in my truck for a while. I thought it was the tires, so I bought new tires. That seemed to help a little bit, but this is my problem. I just found it. I'm pretty sure it's my problem. My carrier bearing is shot on the drive shaft. So I'll have to make an appointment and get that thing changed out. Ah well, at least I found it. So anyway, I'm going to attempt to get rid of this. Got my new adapter for it and everything, and hopefully I can get that done fairly quick. And you can watch. If it doesn't work out, I won't make the video. Once you get that cover off, there's 3 bolts holding the antenna down, and they're 7mm. So I got that loose. This is where I run into a problem because you can't get the antenna down past anything because the mount's too wide. I don't know why GM did that, but it just won't go down. So my thinking is I'm going to take that bolt loose and take that bolt loose and try to pry the fender out just a little bit. I've seen some internet or YouTube guys, they pull the cable out of this crimp here, but that kind of defeats the purpose, I think, doesn't it? I don't know. I'm just leery of doing that because I don't know if it'll make a good connection again. So I'm going to attempt to loosen the fender a little bit. Take this hood in loose a little bit. Didn't like a whole lot from getting down in there, but I got it stuck. Get a pry bar down there maybe. I think I moved it. What I'm going to do is cut off one of those connectors. See how that goes. See if I can get it off. I'm only going to grind off one nub because I don't want to be totally messed up with it. Getting a little warm, as you can imagine. there. Alright, let's see if we can get that down in there now. Shall we? So close. So close. And we got it. We got it. So grinding off that little nub, it worked, obviously. And there we have it. Now I can put everything back together. I don't think those things moved at all. Look good. So as you can see, the antenna connector is right there. It's a little warm, not too bad. So let's get the antenna put on there. This is the old factory antenna that I'm going to be putting in there. To make a bracket for it, but awesome, awesome, awesome. Easy peasy, just a straight shot. Put these bolts back in there. Alright, done. Except for the bracket. I'm going to put a bracket on that bolt right there and mount it to that, and it's just laying there. It's not going to go anywhere, obviously. I'll put these 3 bolts back so I know where they are if I decide to reverse this, but I think it's going to work out good. So let's see if we can get the hood shut now. I think we'll be alright. I think we're doing good. Now we'll just put this Cadillac Escalade thing back on there. Voila. Looks like it wasn't even supposed to be there. There we go. Looks like it wasn't even supposed to be that way from the factory. I like it. Hopefully it'll work. Clean it up a little bit and we'll call it good. Much better, huh? Got it cleaned up a little bit. I think it looks much better without the antenna there. Now I don't have to worry about taking it off for the car wash. Nice and clean. Not bad for a truck that's got 66,000 miles on it, huh? Found this old strap from a previous stereo installation in an older car that I no longer have. So I'm going to use that to mount the antenna underneath the hood. I think it's going to work out pretty good. Good conductive material. So give it a good ground. I got my bracket made. Just need to go get it painted now. Fit right there like that, go out there like that, and then bolt to that. I think it's going to work out good. I will get it painted black. And we should be ready to roll. Okay, I got that nut off. Let's see if we can get this thing on there somehow. It's gonna be just about as bad as working on an airplane. That should be good. There we go. That thing ain't going anywhere. That thing is not gonna go anywhere. Sweetness. Looks good, huh? Not gonna rattle. I like it. I'm gonna call that done. Much better, huh? No antennae. Put my tools away. Looks so much better without the antenna.